Today I'm making instant coffee or iced latte, whatever you want to call it. I have been loving this for quite a while actually, and I'm really excited to share this with you. So let's begin. So we are going to need just a few ingredients. Coffee, I'm using instant coffee, sugar, milk, and of course the ice. So we begin by adding instant coffee to a mason jar. Next is sugar, just adding table sugar today. To that, I'm adding milk, about 3/4 of the way full. You can also use plant-based milk if you like. Then close the lid and shake it for about 45 seconds or so until it gets really frothy. And lastly, I'm just going to add some ice cubes. And that's it. Oh, there you have it, your instant iced coffee. If you enjoyed this video or if you tried this recipe, let me know. And I'll see you next time.